Hi guys, my name is Linga from India. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. I'll be talking about this Itel 56. How I changed the screen. I mean calibration, stroke, the screen touch. Now entering. Now first of all, we remove the screen from the frame, then you scrub it for the residue, for the glue residue on it, for it, in order to be perfect, or else as you place the new screen or the new glass on the frame, it might break if it's not clear. Now solder glass, the screen touch to the screen, because this particular model, the screen is sold on this the glass, the glass is sold with the screen. The screen touch sold. So now you must be careful with this. I injured myself. I ironed that day. I use the lead, put your lead, apply your lead with a little bit of paste, thermal paste. Yeah. So you must not rest the iron on the surface too much, or else it will drop front. And the flex is not that strong. It's just like a paper, Yeah, I was very careful while doing this, very careful while doing this, and you must not use much of lead, because if lead is too much on it, it might breach another terminal, which you don't want, which might even cost extra. And if you're not careful enough, you damage the screen, because the screen, the glass is backed on the screen. The same flex that works for the screen works for the calibration, the glass. So I was looking for something here. Okay, I was there to apply paste. Now putting it back. Just to test first. Just to test me. I see that it's working, so I proceed to copy it. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more videos like